Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video marks the beginning of the week number 74 in this road to 100k realized return challenge, and the week started on a positive note, especially the tech sector, as by the time the markets opened, the Nasdaq was trading already close to 1% up, especially due to some news related to Nvidia. They will be allowed apparently by February, according to this news piece over here. Nvidia is looking to start shipments to China of its H200 chips by mid-February, and this apparently boosted the stock as well, the entire tech sector along with it. And so this has begun positively, but since the opening, the market has drifted a little bit further down here. This is the beginning of the trading day, and so it's been coming down. However, in any case, the premiums today are absurdly minimal, and I believe that this is the case for the entire week. So much so that there was no point in selling 0 DT options on the Nasdaq, on the queues. They were not even available, and so because of due to Christmas, I will not be able to trade from Tuesday onwards, and so any trades for the rest of the week I will have to put to input them as late as tomorrow. I decided to just go ahead and do all the tradings for the entire week. So we are at this moment fully booked. We have just a little bit of buying power, but we can't do much with it. And so we sold our calls, weekly calls. We received 48 cents of premium per share. We also sold 2 puts on Nvidia. Never mind this strike. The platform is acting up a little bit, but these are 175 strike puts. We received 46 cents for this, and yeah, that for some reason it doesn't show up, but this is the strike price was 175, which is a little bit more that we wanted. We wanted to keep our strike price at around 170, but because the stock has appreciated in the meantime, it's no longer possible to collect a reasonable premium at 170. So we had to take some risk and go a little bit higher. And also we sold, with our remaining buying power, we sold a put on the ARKK at a strike price of $79. We went, I would say, quite conservative. The puts on Nvidia had a likelihood of profit of 91%, the ARKK a little bit less, because anything beyond this 86%, anything lower than this 79 strike price to reach delta call or delta put or even lower, the premium would be much lower. And so yeah, I think it's pretty reasonable that we can be reasonably safe, given the fact that this is going to be a shortened week. We only have 3.5 days of trading, because December 25 markets are closed for obvious reasons, but also on the afternoon of the 24th. So in practice, we will be facing only 3.5 days of trading, and the liquidity is going to be relatively lower, and I don't see a reason why these puts would not expire worthless. But yeah, we never know. Nonetheless, as I mentioned, the liquidity was quite low. You can even have a look here at the option chain for the queues, which should be as liquid as it can possibly be, and you see that there is some bid-ask some reasonable bid-ask spread, which is not normal in the market. We are usually with 3-4 cents. Sometimes, very rarely, you have two. Sometimes, very rarely as well, you have one. But for the most part, you always have at the most liquid options, which are the ones close to the strike. Even these are trading with a spread of 2, sometimes 3 cents, which is very, very, very uncommon. I can't recall ever seeing this situation. So yeah, that's the way it is. And so we are going to get. I'm sure of it. You see, this is acting up. Yeah, it doesn't show any positions, even though we have them. But yeah, whatever. Now it shows up. Apparently, we are on course to make only these trades, and yeah, we'll see what's going to happen. But it's going to be another week another low profit week for us. But this is a abnormal one, and we'll let it pass, and then hopefully we'll keep bringing in higher premiums again soon. But for the time being, this is all. I want to make a final reminder. Most likely, I will not be able to close out the week with another video on Saturday. I'm going to only be able to do it on Sunday. So yeah, please keep that in mind while you are waiting for me to post the conclusion of this week. But yeah, this is basically it. Feel free to leave your comments in a comment section down below. Also, I'm available on LinkedIn in case you need to ask me any questions. And of course, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we will reconvene next Sunday to close out the week. And in the meantime, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas for you and your loved ones. And yeah, I'll see you at the end of this week.